In this video, you'll learn how to join the VRBO affiliate program. If you've ever thought about monetizing your website or blog with travel content, joining the VRBO affiliate program could be a fantastic opportunity. VRBO, part of the Expedia Group, offers a way for you to earn commissions by promoting vacation rentals. So let's dive right in and see how you can get started. First, you'll need to head over to the webpage https://creator.expediagroup.com/affiliates. This is the central hub for joining not only the VRBO affiliate program, but also those of hotels.com and Expedia. It's a one-stop shop for all your affiliate needs within the Expedia Group, which makes managing your partnerships much easier. Having a single dashboard means you can seamlessly track your performance and earnings across multiple platforms, keeping everything organized and efficient. Once you're on the site, you'll see a button that says Join Now. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the Creator Program site, where you'll need to fill out your profile. The form will ask for some basic information such as your name, contact details, and possibly some information about your website or blog. Be thorough and accurate with the information you provide. This ensures that you present yourself as a serious and professional affiliate partner, which can help in getting approved. After you've completed the profile, all that's left is to submit it and wait for approval. The review process can vary in time, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any communication from the Expedia Group, as they may reach out for further information or to inform you of your application status. If you're approved, you'll receive instructions on how to access your dashboard and start promoting VRBO listings. While you wait, it might be a good idea to start thinking about how you'll incorporate VRBO links into your content. Consider writing blog posts about travel destinations, creating review videos of vacation rentals, or sharing tips on how to find the best deals. Having a strategy in place will make it easier to hit the ground running once you're approved. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to join the VRBO affiliate program. It's a straightforward process that opens up exciting opportunities to earn commissions by sharing travel content you love. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team via the contact options on the Creator Program site. They're there to help you succeed. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.